how many cups are equivalent to 1 pint? Cups in 1 pint. So again, what we're doing now is we are measuring that we are working in the imperial system. And we are measuring volume here. So what we want to do here is we're looking at the imperial system. So let's write down our conversions for what we don't want to know, and then what we can do, what we know already. What we can do is we can find some type of relationship between those conversions. So what we have here is 1 gallon. I know it's 4 quarts. 1 quart is 2 pints. And 1 pint here is 2 cups. So as you can see, we can see our relationship between pints and cups here. And we actually don't have to do any work for this problem because it's already given in our conversion factor. It's asking us cups in 1 pint. We'll know that 1 pint here equals 2 cups, right? And this here is actually our answer for this problem because I don't have to do any math because again, this case here is already based on the original conversion. So I don't have to multiply or divide anything for this problem. So therefore, you can say that there are 2 cups in 1 pint. And this solution is the correct solution. So there are 2 cups in 1 pint, which is correct.